My team actually has a complaint कि हम लोग हमेशा हर Sunday क्यों shoot कर रहे होते हैं. It's again we're shooting on Sunday. In my life, I'm aware of dates. See, Sunday पे ही मिले थे ना.
मैराथन पे Sunday 6 बजे.
If it's that early, like 5 a.m. type जो था, तब yeah, even I feel like, you know, subconsciously you're feeling like you need to wake up, you need to wake up, you need to.
Yeah.
So it's like a mental alarm that's going on. So if I have really been working like back to back, I have that one rest day where I'm sorry you might judge me on this, but I am lying down in my bed all day. I do not even, like, I will roam around of course, but I will not even like sometimes take a shower that day because I'm like, I don't want to do anything. आज मुझे कुछ मत बोलना, आज मुझे कोई काम नहीं चाहिए. Oh, I mean, I like the fact that that one day I have to have after a hectic schedule where I am just, nobody can say anything to me on that day. I'm just at home in my bed, binge watching, sleeping, eating, everything. But not on that day. Even if I'm not able to on some day get a workout, I do walk. Like, and I have this beautiful habit which I didn't try to create, लेकिन मैं walk and talk करती हूँ और मैं चलना शुरू हो जाती हूँ, चाहे मैं बीमार हूँ, चाहे मेरे पैरों में दर्द हो रहा है, चाहे कुछ भी हो. It's like involuntary. Like I just मैं चलती रहती हूँ और अगर stress call है तो भाई जो speed होती है मेरी, it's like the moment I get a call, you know, and I'm just sometimes just walking a lot. There have been times जब मेरी नी में चोट लगी थी या कुछ, and you know my dad would like open the door and he's like, तू चलना बंद करेगी, because I was just walking.
Give demo of this right now.
मेरे घर में ही sometimes my mom makes papdi chaat, तड़का बनाया हुआ चटनी, and you know इमली की चटनी, and obviously papdi is not तड़का बनाया हुआ sometimes, but I like binging. I'm a full Punjabi. I like North Indian food, so I like my dal makhni, my rajma chawal, my butter chicken. I like all of that.
Wow.
Yeah, मैंने lockdown में बहुत खाना. So I proved it to my mother that so before that I could only make like Maggi, and I could make like eggs and all, and chai, and that's about it. But and my mom used to always feel like, you know, you don't know how to cook anything, you know. And in the lockdown, I have really gone full on. I have cooked Thai and mutton and you know everything possible. I went into baking. I have like बहुत ज़्यादा मैं घुस गई थी उसमें. तो मेरा ये है, मैं कुछ भी अगर if I'm passionate or something तो मैं घुस जाती. Okay, let's call like some. I'm not a salad person, but I don't mind like starting out with it. So I don't mind like a avocado chicken salad. क्या मतलब हुआ? I think my appetite is a little small.
अच्छा, we'll know today. Congratulations on that.
Thank you. Yeah.
What exactly did you think?
No, actually, I was not so specific about it. I had just written. So I think in it says 2020 the date.
Yeah.
So sometime in 2020, probably lockdown when I was sitting at home.
Yeah.
And I was just dreaming and writing. You know, sometimes I randomly tend to like write what I really want to do. It could be anything. You know, it could be like she used to always say मुझे ना एक घर चाहिए जिसमें एक garden हो और मैं उसमें बैठ के चाय पीऊँ. So that's also in that dreams, you know. So it is there. So I have written that also. Then I had written I wanna win a national award, okay, and I've written some more words and a paragraph of why I want it and you know what I feel, and then. No, I'm not saying nothing. See, I believe in Nazar.
like this.
I believe in Nazar. So I wrote something else also ahead of it, which जिस दिन पूरा होगा उस दिन बताऊंगी. See, it is a form of manifestation. You have to figure what works for you. Like for me, I feel like if I run too much after one thing, feel like oh, you know, no, I only want this, and every day I'm trying to manifest it, तो नहीं होता है. I have to think of it, believe that I want to do this one day, and believe that I can, and then sort of just leave it. तो वो भी ऐसा था कि मैंने लिख के छोड़ के रख दिया. It's not like I'm going and seeing it every day. I've just written it. So I think whatever works for you. Yeah.
Very, very inspirational.
Okay.
Okay, chalo.
Ever in my life,
Today
I
we
have
are
no
going
idea. You have to teach me. I really don't know. It's a colorful Jenga.
It's a colorful Jenga. Yeah, just try.
Generally,
Your
like-
nails will come handy
Oh my God,
here.
no, my nails will not come handy. Okay,
No?
something is happening.
What is it?
Crack a PJ. I really don't know PJs. Okay, I'll probably say one. Whatever's coming to my mind right now. Why was the tomato blushing? Oh.
No.
It's a reality, not a PJ. Because it saw the salad dressing. Dance without music for 30 seconds. Since we won right now, Mimi is on my mind.
Yes.
I would just say, okay. I'm singing it in my head. Okay, tell me one thing that really irritates you. Do you eat jhuta? People jhuta. Not all. If I take a sip of that, you're gonna change your straw. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I mean, of people who I know, yeah, I actually don't really. Yeah, मेरे को actually COVID भी ऐसे ही हुआ था.
अच्छा झूठा.
Honestly, yeah, I will not say whose, but yeah, I have no idea, but yeah.
But COVID के time पे झूठा.
No, it's a habit sometimes, no, of your friends, and you don't realize that maybe they could have.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, one more
But
for you.
I sometimes, of people who I know, who I'm close to, I can have. Not just anyone and everyone, but yeah. And one thing that irritates me a lot is like जब लोग पैर घसीट के चलते हैं और जब लोग Oh my god! Oh my god! Like I can't bear that sound. Like कई बार you know लोग फोन पे खाते खाते बात करते हैं. Like you eat first, then you call me. Oh my. Kriti, stand in दोनों. So 1, 2, 4, 4, 3. You're making it difficult. खुद ही डालो चलो. Stop branching with yourself. This is full day. Mean. I'm digging in.
Yeah.
That pizza is looking yum. Fresh out of the oven. I love it. One off. मैं cheat पूरा time करती रहती हूँ तो मेरा कोई अलग से cheat meal होता नहीं है. Work out ना? You should work out. Eat everything in balance. Don't be a hapchi and just like. Okay, I can't say that word. Sorry. Don't just like go into it and just have it all. You know? Yeah. You can have it all only with hyphen.
I see.
I started modeling when I was in second year college. That was the first time I faced camera for an ad audition and then an ad. You know, oh my god, I don't know how to do this types.
Yeah.
But in front of moving camera, I used to really like, you know, just come alive. And I think that's where I started realizing that maybe, you know, I like this. And this is something that probably I'm good at and probably I can work on myself and get there.
जाते,
yeah. I have not been someone who's been super confident. मैं बचपन से I used to be very shy. I used to hide behind my mom's dupatta. I used to take my mom for birthday parties when I was a kid. I used to be this quiet person, and that was my first photo shoot. And I remember being extremely conscious ever. And it was a big photographer, and he was very sweet. And you know, he started clicking pictures. I was not feeling good about myself, and I just left the shoot and I sat in the auto and I went home. I was like, I don't think I did it well. Acha nahi hua. So my sister was like, this is, you know, this industry needs you to be very confident. Look at these girls. You know, I don't think you will be able to. I don't know, maybe this is not meant for you. My first ramp show, the choreographer, I have never worked with her again, but she was very rude to me because I messed up the choreography. कोई farmhouse पे था तो heels were getting in the grass. It was the first time. I was again first ramp show. Terrible. And again I sat in the auto and I started crying because she scolded me in front of 50 models, okay, and very rudely. And I was holding it. मेरा रोना ऐसे निकलता है अगर कोई मुझ पे चिल्ला दे तो I'm gone. The point is to not give up. To give it a second, third, fourth, fifth chance because eventually you will overcome your fears and you will shine. So I feel like it's very important to do that. So the idea is to not give up. I think you know I'm not someone who gives up easily. I'm very competitive. I'm ambitious as a person, you know, and I may have been shy, and I sometimes आज भी मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो shy लड़की, वो shy Kriti is still there inside me, you know, at times. I mask it. See, it depends. अगर मेरी थोड़ी बहुत भी गलती है और कोई बहुत rudely बात कर दे तो I would start crying. And my eyes will get watery for sure. I'm an engineer.
And then pursuing.
बहुत नहीं मनाना पड़ा, but I had to give them a backup plan. I had to give GMAT and get a good score. So I remember I just moved to Mumbai. I was going for these Jambori classes which are for GMAT. I did my first schedule of my first Telugu film.
Yeah.
And I got in that film. I had gotten Heropanti also. And Heropanti was supposed to start a little later.
Yeah.
And my second schedule of the Telugu film was supposed to start after 2 months. So I had 2 months in the middle. And I gave the GMAT exam then. Because I was like, okay, you know, I feel like middle class, say, when you come from a non-film background, parents are worried about you.
Yeah.
Your you're passionate, but you're not desperate. There's a very thin line. Yeah, that was going on. No. Sometimes you don't even get a second film, so no. I mean, it was like, have your that score is valid for 5 years. So till 5 years, if something doesn't work out, you still have this.
Brand.
Yes.
Were you?
I wasn't actually, you know, I've never been into business before. I mean, I was always into taking care of my skin and I used to try different things. Of course, I came into this industry which is all about beauty and, you know, your skin goes through so much. You know, I was very clear I didn't want to go only Ayurveda and, you know, natural and all of that. I believe in science.
Yeah.
I understand ingredients and, you know, chemistry and all of that. So for me, I was like, okay, I need the benefits of both. Hyphen together. More oil.
Right.
Because you're not giving it oil.
Yeah.
You know, and because it's producing more oil, you're getting acne. Oh
Very
my god,
important.
that's very
Yeah.
important. Like we were very sure that in the first set of Hyphen products, there has to be an SPF. And I don't like putting a separate moisturizer and a separate SPF in the morning.
Yeah.
So I like the SPF being hydrating. So we have made a very, very hydrating SPF where you don't need a moisturizer. But
Plus the sunscreen.
Plus the sunscreen. Yeah.
You started your.
Whenever someone asks me why did you want to do this, I always say why not.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I wanna not limit myself into, you know, हम बचपन में पूछते हैं ना आपको क्या बनना है बड़े होके, आपका profession क्या है, and usually there's one thing that you write.
Yeah.
But I'm like, why one thing? You should hyphen a lot of things to your life.
Right.
That's the mantra.
Newer
Yeah,
things.
absolutely. You have to shift the gear every now and then and do something different, you know, to also keep yourself going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On that note, another game with you.
पराठे वाली गली, चांदनी चौक, of course, लाजपत नगर,
Please.
सरोजनी नगर जनपद.
5 seconds. Okay.
वड़ा पाव, सेव पूरी, भेल पूरी, क्रंची, हेयर बैंड and clips. Biceps, chest, stomach, everyone has. Guy, good actor, selfless, and chivalrous would be great. Babies, puppies, food.
That was quick. 3 things that instant.
Incompetency, आगे सिट के चलना और चप चप करके खाना. No, thankfully not. Cleansing oil, moisturizing sunscreen, dewy foundation. A balm that's also glossy is better. Blush, like a lot of blush. Love blush.
Yeah. 3 things.
Lip balm, perfume, and sunglasses. I have a lot in my handbag. Actually, it's dumped with like lots of things, but not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. मैं जा ही नहीं सकती. मैं नहीं जा सकती यार. I just feel like it's so boring. Like I am not that person. I need company. I need people around. I need like someone with me.
With
I
friends
mean, I
or-
like going with my friends. I like going with my sister, family. Depends on where you're going. Any place with a beach. The beach really makes me happy. The sound of water, the sun, the sky, the water, the sand, all of it. Like it just instantly uplifts my mood. I do want to visit Greece. I want to visit Italy also, which I might actually very soon. Depends, yeah, मिलता है अगर तो off days पे yeah. But you know, sometimes you say that you've traveled to many places, but you've not really been to most. I've seen a lot, but I've not really seen them. Sometimes it's sad, but yeah, there are times when I want to go back to a certain place where I've really shot a lot, but a normal person, as a tourist, as a human being. My first international trip, I think, was probably Dubai.
Okay.
It was for a show. I think a Manish Malhotra show, if I'm not mistaken, as a model. And I also remember going to Malaysia probably for an ad shoot. And I was like, oh, I'm going to Malaysia for an ad shoot. No. I try everything. Stuck up with it, but I need flavor. I can't have bland food. The first release is going to be Gunpowder, 20th October.
Okay.
With Tiger after a while. Then there's a film which is a really, really fun, quirky. And I'm shooting for Dopati right now. So that is something I'm very, very excited about.
When is Dopati released?
It's some time away because we've just started shooting.
Right?
Yeah, very long, yeah. Very, very excited also. Co-producing this one, first film under. और खाना लेके आए हो आप?
No, it is a desert food.
Oh, that looks yum.
That's on a national level.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. So, yeah. I don't have a phone. Somebody click a picture.